Hello all, greetings for the day. I am Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator at an academy for CBSE class 8, 9 and 10. I take care of the subjects mathematics for class 8, 9 and 10. I also teach physics for class 9 and 10. Soon we'll be coming up with biology as well on the portal. Welcome everyone to the session, and I hope you all are in the best of your health right now during this pandemic and you are staying safe, and others as well are doing amazing at your home. So, welcome all to the YT session of class 10. The topic, as you can see, is on the screen: surface areas and volumes. So, just let me introduce to you all, those who all don't know me. I am Vinay Bajaj, having a teaching experience of more than 6 years now, and it has been, trust me, a wonderful journey so far. And I've completed my bachelor's in accounting and finance. I've also completed my master's from Mumbai University, and is teaching you here as well on an academy now. To sum it up, let's start with today's topic. We are going to do surface area and volumes. Just before starting, I would like to introduce you to one of the most exciting and amazing batches which Unacademy has come up with top educators on the portal for class 9 and 10. This batch will basically focus only and only on preparing you for your final exams, that is CBSE 2021 exams. As you can see on the screen, CBSE class 9 and 10, we will cover all the concepts. We will also do a lot of practice with respect to practical subjects. Weekly quizzes will be there, that is, after every week you will have a quiz on all the topics which you have covered throughout the week. This is not only with respect to maths, this is with respect to each and every subject and topic which is taught to you by the batch educators. Now, for mathematics for class 9 and 10, for both the sections, you will have Vinay sir, that is me, who will be covering your syllabus in English. Now, there are two batches simultaneously for class 9 and 10 going on. One batch will be conducted in English and the other batch will be taken in Hindi. So, mathematics in English will be taken by none other than me. That's Vinay Bajaj for you all. And this is how the batch details are. We have Hardik Hiradia sir for SST, we have Anika Seth ma'am for French, we have Bhavna Bisht ma'am for science, we have Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi, we have Vinay Bajaj for maths, we have Sandeep Dubey sir for English. What you have to do is, the timetable is there in front of you. You just have to subscribe and enroll for the batch. Now, the subscription which you will take is not only limited to the batch, it is open for you all for that particular grade, for all the courses which were published by the educators before that, which were taught before you joined, as well as the current ongoing batches. Apart from this batch, the plus courses, the individual courses of the educators, all of them will be open for you all once you subscribe using my referral code VB19. So as you can see on the screen, there is a schedule also provided to you, that every Monday, Wednesday and Friday you'll have English, maths and science. Every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays you'll have SST, French and Hindi. The timings are also given to you well in advance so that you can prepare your schedule accordingly. The batch starts on 14th, that is, it has already started, guys. But you're still not late, you've just missed a week's time. Let me tell you, if you subscribe today also, you'll be able to see all the recordings of the previous sessions missed, and you can sit the live sessions as well. So what are you waiting for? Quickly use VB19 and subscribe. Using my referral code will give you a flat 10% discount. The batch started on 14th September 2020, and it is gonna end on 30th January. We guys are going to celebrate the New Year's together. And let me tell you, the board dates are out for class 10 also. So it will be a very good session, very good batch, which will just focus on preparing you all for your final exams. This is the class 10 batch in English. We have Akansha Sharma ma'am, who will be taking care of SST, Anika Seth ma'am again for French. We'll have Ajinkya Saluke sir for science. We'll have Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi, and Vinay Bajaj sir for mathematics, and Vandana Bajaj ma'am for English. Again, you can use my referral code VB19 to subscribe for the set batches as well as all the other things available for class 9 or for class 10 on the portal. So these are the formulas. I will give you 30 seconds with every slide. Just quickly make sure you copy them, you note it down somewhere, and then we are going to start with the sums. Done. Everyone is done with it. So that we move forward. Come on, quickly tell me yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And then we are done. We move forward. All right. Copy these set of formulas for cube. And then we move forward again. तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं आज का ये सेशन. Quickly copy the formulas and then we start forward. And then we move forward. चलो चले नील गगन को. All right, write it for cone quickly. चलो. All right, these are for cylinders. Okay, I am sure you guys have copied them. Good enough and nicely. Chalo, let's move forward and we start for the day. Okay, are you guys ready? I am sure you guys are definitely ready to start with me. Okay, so here we have the first question. I'll just change my pen. Yes. So we will be solving a few sums from RD that will give you a clear picture about the concept with respect to each and every different variety of sum in the chapter. So an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion 2.8 meter high and 20 centimeters in diameter, and a cone 42 centimeter high is surmounting. Now what do you mean by surmounting? For example, एक ये ग्लास है, अगर इसके ऊपर मैं ये रख दूं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This is known as nothing but surmounting. किसी चीज के ऊपर कुछ होना is nothing but surmounting. जैसे कि अगर मेरा ये फेस है और इसमें मैं एक बर्थडे कैप पहन लूं तो आई कैन से दिस इज अ हेमिस्फीयर. ओके, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल. दिस इज नॉट एन हेमिस्फीयर. ओके, this is a hemisphere, and if I wear a birthday cone, so it will be a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. Let's read the sum. An iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meter high and 20 centimeter in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeter high is surmounting it. Find the weight of the pillar given that 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.5 grams. So very simple. Let us first write the given details on the right hand top side of the screen. तो चलो लिखते हैं. Height of the cone दी है हमें. So height of cone is given to us as 42 centimeters. Okay. The radius is common, so we'll just write the radius since they have told us the radius is common and surmounting है तो radius generally common ही होता है. 20 centimeter in diameter. So can I say it is nothing but 10 centimeters? And now the height of the cylinder is given to us as 2.8 meters. Now all the other units are in centimeters, guys. So 2.8 meters के बदले can I write 280 centimeters directly? That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2.8 meters is equal to 280 centimeters. So these were my given details. Now what we have to find weight of the pillar. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसका mass, that is उसका mass नहीं, basically what content it has in it. So that is nothing but the volume of the pillar. The volume of the pillar is equal to the volume of cone, plus the volume of cylinder, because नीचे का जो है राउंड सर्कल वो तो सिलेंडर के फॉर्म में ही है. अगर ये एक पिलर है तो दिस इज नथिंग बट अ सिलेंडर and surmounted by a cone. So volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Quickly use the formulas. It is 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h. Can I take pi common? Of course yes. Can I take radius common? Yes I can. So मैं क्या करता हूँ, pi और r square को common ले लेते हैं. We take pi r square as common. So what we get? We get 1 upon 3 into h plus, we will just get h here. The height is different as you can see on the screen. So substitute 22 upon 7, 10 square हो जाएगा 100, bracket open. Height कितनी है? अब ये height पहले कोन की है. So we get 42 upon 3. So 42 upon 3 is nothing but, we get 14 plus, and height is 280. So we get 22 divided by 7 into 100 into 294 into 294. Solving this, we will get 92,400 centimeter cube. Since it's volume, we'll write the answer in cubes. I am sure that you guys are very clear till here. Let's move forward. I'll change the color of my ink, and what we have to do is we have to find the weight of the pillar. Now they have given us 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के लिए कितना वेट है? 7.5 ग्राम्स. सो 92,400 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के लिए कितना होगा? Therefore the weight is equal to, multiply कर दो, so you get 6,93,000 grams. That is nothing but 693 kgs. Is it very clear? I know it might be hiding behind me. I am sure that now you guys can see it. That 1 centimeter cube is equal to 7.5 grams. So 92,400 centimeter कितना होगा? Cross multiply, that is 92400 into 7.5. That gives you 6,93,000, and which is nothing but 693 kgs. So I hope everyone is very, very, very clear with the sum. And let's move on to the next sum. I'll just keep this live for 15-20 seconds. You can take a screenshot, or you can just note down if you have missed any point, or else I am pretty sure enough you guys have done it on your own. तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward to the next question. So now a circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 3 meters. If its diameter is itna and the slant height of the cone portion is 53, calculate the length of the canvas. We just have to calculate the length of the canvas. Okay, तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं पहले given details के साथ. So write the L. L क्या होती है? Slant height. So slant height of the conical portion is 53 meters. Now the height of cylinder, is given to us as 3 meters. Then diameter of the cone. So diameter मतलब radius of the cone. So radius of the cone is nothing but 105 the whole divided by 2 meters. So cone का diameter क्या है? 105 दिया है, तो radius 105/2 हो जाएगा. Very clear to everyone till here? Of course yes. Let's start solving the sum now. What we have to find? The length of the canvas. मतलब पहले हमें curved surface area निकालना पड़ेगा. किसका? टेंट का. तो चलो लिखते हैं CSA of the tent. The curved surface area for the tent is equal to the CSA of cone plus CSA of the hemisphere. Oh, sorry. Of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder Very clear to everyone till here? Cylinder. Okay. Now let's write the formula. ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा पाई आर एल और ये हो जाएगा 2 पाई आर एच. So now 22/7 into the radius of the cone is 105/2 into the slant height is given to us as 53 plus 2 into 22/7 into the radius is again the same. Yes, it is the same. The height is also given to me of the cylinder is 3. Okay. Can I take 22/7 common? Of course, yes, I can. Can I take the radius common? अरे हाँ यार, ले यार, पूछ क्यों रहा है राजा. ब्रैकेट में क्या बच गया? 53 इंटू नहीं आएगा, 53 प्लस 2 इंटू 3 ये बच गया. सो कैन आई राइट 11 इंटू 7 15 जा 11 इंटू 15 इंटू 53 plus 6 is 59. Multiply this, you get the answer as 9735 meter square. अब ये मुझे क्या मिल गया है? ये मुझे मिल गया कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टेंट. मतलब जो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया है टेंट का, दैट इज अ सिलेंडर एंड द कोन इज इतना. नाउ दे हैव गिवन टू मी द लेंथ ऑफ द कैनवस. सो अगेन आई विल जस्ट चेंज द कलर ऑफ माई इंक. अरे so it is given to me as the width of canvas is equal to 5 meters. Very simple guys. What you have to do is, ये तो हमारे पास है 9735. इसको क्या करना है? हमें लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ करना है. सो हमें लेंथ मिल जाएगी, ब्रेथ हमारे पास 5 है. सो लेंथ करेंगे 9735 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 कर दो तो तुम्हें मिल जाएगा इंडिया जब आज़ाद हुआ था वो साल 1947 meters will be your length of the canvas required to make the tent. I am sure you guys can see on the screen now that width of the canvas is given to us as 5. अब जो canvas होता है, say for example, where did my paper go? paper है क्या कोई यहाँ पे? Yes, I have the paper with me. I'll show you. Now for example, अगर ये समझो एक कैनवस है, इफ दिस इज अ कैनवस, व्हाट आई डू इज, इससे मैंने एक ऐसा गोल बना दिया. ठीक है, समझो ये सिलेंडर पार्ट है तुम्हारे सर्कस टेंट का और इसके ऊपर कोन आ जाएगा. बट जब मैं इसको खोलूंगा, ये कपड़ा ही तो है कैनवस, इसको खोला तो ये एक रेक्टेंगल बन गया. मतलब चाहे वो ऐसा हो या ऐसा, जब वो इनिशियल स्टेजेस में था तब तो वो ऐसा ही रहेगा. और फिर जब मैं इसको फोल्ड करके कर्व बना रहा हूँ, ये एक सिलेंडर बन गया. समझो सिलेंडर बन गया. एक एग्जैक्ट नहीं है क्योंकि वो पेपर मॉइस्ट हो चुका है, बट दिस विल बी लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. सो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ तो मेरे पास 9735 है ही. ब्रेथ उन्होंने बोला है दैट इज द विड्थ इज 5 meters एंड वी कैन डिवाइड द एरिया बाय द ब्रेथ. सो वी गेट द लेंथ एज 1947. I am sure you are very clear with the answer. Let's move on to the next part of the ESUM. Okay, chalo. So the largest sphere to be carved out of a right circular cylinder of radius 7 centimeter and height 14 centimeter. Find the volume of the sphere. One of the most easiest sums, but you should know how to do it. You should have a clear idea how the sum is going to be done. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. अब रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर दिया है तो पहले गिवन डिटेल्स में लिख लेंगे. द रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर कितना दिया है? रेडियस ऑफ द सिलेंडर 7 सेंटीमीटर्स. हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर दी है? हाँ दी है भाई, बिल्कुल. सो हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर कितनी दी है? 14 centimeters is given as the height. We just have to find the volume of the sphere. ठीक है, तो चलो. अगर लार्जेस्ट स्पीयर काटना है, मतलब कैन आई से द रेडियस ऑफ द स्पीयर will again be radius of the sphere will be 14/2, that is nothing but 7 centimeters. कैसे? लार्जेस्ट स्पीयर कितना बड़ा कट सकता है, मतलब उसकी जो हाइट है, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर सिलेंडर, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर सिलेंडर, अगर मैं इतना बड़ा स्पीयर काटता हूं, सो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, ये स्पीयर का डायमीटर हो गया, दैट इज नथिंग बट द हाइट. ओके, सो द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज 14, सो द रेडियस विल बी हाफ. सो वी टुक रेडियस ऑफ द स्पीयर एज 7. सब कुछ है आसान. हमको क्या पूछा है, वॉल्यूम. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्पीयर इज इक्वल टू 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. पाई का वैल्यू कुछ नहीं बोला है, मतलब यू हैव टू टेक 22/7. सो 4/3 इंटू 22/7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7, ये कट ये कट. Finally we will get 4 into 22 is 88. 88 into 49 you get as 4312, the whole upon 3. So your final answer will be 1437.3 centimeter cube. I hope everyone is clear with the sum. Diagram से और ज़्यादा clear हो गया होगा. तो this is how you have to do the sum, guys. Make sure you write the given details in every question mentioned, so that you are very much aware of about what is given in the question, and it gives a good impression to the examiner that you have systematically solved the sum. You can also add, after writing the given details, what is the question asking you about, what is the thing which you have to find. So to find करके आप ये भी लिख सकते हो the volume of the sphere. I hope everyone is pretty clear with it, and let's move forward to the next question. So now again a tent wala question has come up. Now why I am focusing on particular type of sums is, in this session we'll be covering majority of the sums with respect to surface areas, and in the next upcoming YT session, which I'll be posting for you all on Unacademy's channel, we will be doing melted and recast. बस यही दो टाइप के सम्स आपने करने हैं एग्जाम के लिए. ये दो टाइप पे मैं एक एक वीडियो अच्छे से बना दूंगा. सो इट विल बी अ वेरी शॉर्ट रिविजन फॉर यू ऑल. वेन एवर यू आर सिटिंग फॉर दिस चैप्टर, you can keep my video on, you can listen to it once, you can solve the sums before me and check the answers. Okay, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं ये वाला question. A tent is in the form of a right circular cylinder. A tent is in the form of a right circular cylinder surmounted by a cone. मतलब एक सिलेंडर है और उसके ऊपर कोन है. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था surmounted का मतलब क्या होता है. The diameter of the base of the cylinder or the cone is 24 centimeters. So what is the given detail? I have the diameter, so directly can I write the radius is equal to 12 meters. Now they have given me the height of the cylinder, so h of cylinder is equal to 11 meters. The vertex of the cone is 16 meter above the ground. बेटा above the ground बोला है, मतलब for example if my diagram is somewhat like this, तो ये पूरा कितना हो जाएगा 16 मीटर, उसमें से ये कितना है 11 मीटर्स. सो मेरी कोन की हाइट क्या हो गई, सो मेरी कोन की हाइट हो जाएगी, सो हाइट ऑफ द कोन इज इक्वल टू 5 मीटर, और इन दोनों का सम 16 मीटर्स ही आता है. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर. सो ये मेरी हाइट हो गई 5. आई एम श्योर दैट एवरीवन इज क्लियर. वी हैव टू फाइंड द कैनवस रिक्वायर्ड. इसका मतलब CSA निकालना है. तो चलो शुरू कर दो. CSA ऑफ द टेंट इज इक्वल टू CSA ऑफ, ठीक है, CSA ऑफ द कोन प्लस CSA ऑफ द सिलेंडर. अब फॉर्मूला तो ये बोलता है ये पाई आर एल होता है, बट एल तो दिया ही नहीं है सब में, और ये होता है 2 पाई आर एच. कुछ नहीं यार, एल ढूंढने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर द होल अंडर रूट कर दो, मिल जाएगा. पाइथागोरस लगा दो, मिल जाएगा. सो इसमें स्लांट हाइट तुमने मिलनी है 13 मीटर्स. एल इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. ये फॉर्मूला लगाओ, h है तुम्हारे पास, r है तुम्हारे पास, l मिल जाएगा 13 मीटर्स। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना। अब पाई को कॉमन ले लिया, r को कॉमन ले लिया, तो क्या बचा, l प्लस 2h। सो नाउ 22/7, यहां तो बोला ही है पाई की वैल्यू क्या लेनी है, वी हैव द रेडियस एज 12, सो इंटू 12, ब्रैकेट ओपन, l कितना आया 13 आया, प्लस 2 into, now this is the height of the cylinder, do not take the height of the cone here, so 2 into 11, so you get 22 into 12 into 13 plus 22 will give you 35, the whole upon 7, which is nothing but 22 into 12 into 5, which will give you the answer as 1320 centimeter, sorry, meter square. I hope everyone is clear till here. So this is your final answer. So the area of canvas required for making the tent, I again repeat, the area of the canvas required for making the tent is nothing but 1320 मीटर स्क्वायर अपने को कैनवस लगेगा। तो मेरा एक सिलेंडर सरमाउंटेड बाय कोन का एक फिगर बन जाएगा, एक टेंट बन जाएगा। So I hope everyone is clear with the sum. Again, I give you 15-20 seconds. Those who have yet not copied or not solved can see on the screen and solve. Those who have already done it, if you want to take an SS, you can take an SS quickly. Okay, doodles. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं to the next question. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. Again, एक टॉय है जिसमें जैसे मेरा फेस, ये एक हेमिस्फीयर हो गया और ऊपर एक टोपी पहन लेता हूं, हैप्पी बर्थडे विश मत कर देना, ये एक हेमिस्फीयर हो गया और ये एक कोन हो गया, कैप हो गई, बर्थडे कैप। आई होप एवरीवन हैज some or the other time wore it on your head in your friend's birthday, siblings birthday or any birthday party जहाँ बिन बुलाए भी पहुंच गए होगे। तो ये हो गया मेरा कोन, ये हो गया ये एक मेरा चेहरा। सो टॉय तो आपके सामने ही है, आपने क्या करना है, पहले तो गिवन डिटेल्स लिख लेते हैं, फिर सोचेंगे करना क्या है सब में। तो चलो शुरू हो जाओ। सो वी हैव बीन गिवन द रेडियस ऑफ द कोन। अरे यार हेमिस्फीयर का भी तो वही होगा, सो रेडियस 3.5 सेंटीमीटर। अब ये हाइट जो है वो हाइट ऑफ द टॉय है, ठीक है पब्लिक, हाइट ऑफ द टॉय इज इक्वल टू 15.5 सेंटीमीटर्स। अब तो हाइट ऑफ द टॉय में से हाइट ऑफ द कोन कितना हो जाएगा, क्या मैं रेडियस माइनस कर सकता हूं, तो मुझे हाइट ऑफ द कोन 12 सेंटीमीटर्स आ जाएगा। 3.5 माइनस कर दिया हाइट, क्योंकि टोटल हाइट दी है तो मुझे कोन की हाइट भी चाहिए रहेगी, सो कोन की हाइट मुझे आ जाती है 12 सेंटीमीटर्स। अब फटाफट से स्लांट हाइट ढूंढ दो, दैट इज L इज इक्वल टू √h² प्लस r², ठीक है। सो L आ जाएगा आपको 25/2 centimeters. Keep it in fraction, don't convert it into decimals. Now we have to find the total surface area and the volume of the toy. तो TSA of toy पहले फाइंड करेंगे। कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना, TSA बोला है तो सर मैं तो TSA निकाल के आ गया, अरे TSA और वॉल्यूम लिख रहा हूं। प्लीज डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज। TSA मतलब हमें टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टॉय निकालना है, इसका मतलब हम कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे। सो TSA ऑफ टॉय इज इक्वल टू CSA ऑफ कोन प्लस CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, तो CSA ऑफ कोन प्लस CSA ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया हमारा TSA के लिए। सो यहां पे फॉर्मूलाज क्या लगाओगे, πr/l प्लस, अब ये हो जाएगा 2/3, रॉन्ग, ये सिर्फ होगा 2πr²। तो ये मेरा क्या हो गया, पाई कॉमन, r कॉमन, तो क्या बचेगा पब्लिक, l प्लस 2r बचेगा कि नहीं बचेगा, अरे यही बचेगा यार. So 22/7 into ये रेडियस है 3.5. सो कैन आई राइट 3.5 के बदले 7/2. So 3.5 के बदले आई एम राइटिंग 7/2. ब्रैकेट ओपन. यू हैव 25/2 प्लस अगेन आर के बदले मैं 7.2 लिख सकता हूं. सो आई विल गेट +7 ओनली. आई विल गेट +7 ओनली. वंस आई गेट दिस कैन आई राइट दिस एज 11 इंटू, इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो क्या आएगा पब्लिक, 11 इंटू 39/2 एलसीएम लेंगे तो 14 + 25 is 39, 39/2. So you will get the final answer for TSA of a toy is 214.5 centimeter square. This will be your part 1 of the sum. This will be a part 1 of your sum. So just give me a second. I'll just add one more slide for you all. सो ये मैंने कर दिया आप लोगों के लिए एक और स्लाइड ऐड. अब हम निकालते हैं वॉल्यूम. सो नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टॉय, very simple to take out the volume, that is the volume of cone plus the volume of hemisphere, that is nothing but 1/3 pi r square h plus 2/3 pi r cube. So I hope everyone is clear till here. Value substitute कर दो. 1/3 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 12. ये हो गई तुम्हारे वॉल्यूम ऑफ कौन से रिलेटेड. अब यहां पे प्लस 2/3, ठीक है, यहां पे हो जाएगा प्लस 2/3. ओके, 2/3 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into 7/2. पहले भी कॉमन ले सकते थे, अभी भी कॉमन ले सकते हो. सो मैं क्या करता हूं, 1/3 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 ये कॉमन ले लेता हूं. सो फर्स्ट सिचुएशन में तो सिर्फ 12 बचेगा और सेकेंड में बचेगा 2 into 7/2. सो यहां पे क्या मिलेगा मुझे, ये 7 और ये 7 कट, ये और ये 11 हो गया. सो आई विल गेट 77/6 into 12 plus 7 19. So I will get 243.83 centimeter square as your, cube as your volume. I hope everyone is very clear with this sum. Just I give you 15-20 seconds, refer to the sum quickly and then we move forward. This was the question and this is the total solution. And do not forget to write the final answer, that the volume, that the total surface area of the toy is itna and the volume of the given toy is 243.83 centimeter cube. I am sure you guys are understanding till here each and every bit. I'll just drink water and then we move forward. चलो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट सम. सो a pole consisting of a cylindrical portion 110 centimeter high and of base diameter 12 centimeter is surmounted by a cone 9 centimeter high. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has 8 gram mass approximately. Start doing it, start doing it, start doing it. The pi का value they have given us 355 divided by 115. My क्या पाई का वैल्यू दिया है सब में, एक नंबर. सो जो दिया है वही लेना पड़ेगा. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं ये सम फॉर यू ऑल. अगेन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू राइट द गिवन डिटेल्स. I am writing the given details on the white portion. That is, the radius of the cone is given to us. Radius of the cone is equal to 6 centimeters. Then the height of the cone is given. Height of cone is 9 centimeters. और क्या दिया है? The height of the cylinder. So height of cylinder is equal to 110 centimeters. So height of cylinder is nothing but 110 centimeters. चलो तो फिर वापस से वही सम करना है, वॉल्यूम निकालनी है. So volume of the pole is equal to volume of the cone plus the volume of the cylinder. The whole game is that कि भैया you should remember the formulas and you should know how to solve the sum, how to solve taking the values. मल्टीप्लीकेशन, डिविजन, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, ये सब चीज़ें बहुत ध्यान से देख के करनी पड़ेगी ये चैप्टर में. सो 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. अब रेडियस कॉमन है, ठीक है. सो कैन आई टेक योर दिस एज 1 by sorry ठीक है. सो 115 को अगर मैं डिवाइड करूं, 355 डिवाइड बाय 115 अगर मैं करता हूं, एक सेकेंड, 355 डिवाइड बाय 115 if I do, then it's incorrect. 355 if I divide by 113. Okay guys, so we have to take the value as 113. okay, नीचे यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा प्रिंटिंग एरर है, मैं वही बोला मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग तो नहीं जा सकता मेरा. What happened to this यार? इसको मैं यार रेड इंक से चेंज कर रहा हूं. दिस विल बी 113. ठीक है. चलो, सो 1/3 इंटू 355 अपॉन 113 इंटू आर स्क्वायर, कोन का आर है 6, इंटू 6 इंटू 6 प्लस 355 upon 113 into 6 into 6 into the height of the cylinder is 110. Solving it further, can I take 355 upon 113 as common into 6 again as common? Yes, of course I can. तो ये हो जाएगा 1/3 फर्स्ट टर्म में बचा, प्लस आई विल गेट सॉरी इंटू 9 तो करना ही भूल गया, यहाँ पे कर देता हूँ इंटू 9. सो आई जस्ट इरेज 1 मिनट गाइस, नो ओवर राइटिंग. सो इंटू 9 यहाँ पे कर लिया मैंने. सो इंटू 9 प्लस 110. सो व्हाट वी विल गेट गाइस, वी विल गेट 355 अपॉन 113 इंटू 6 इंटू 6 इंटू ये 3, ये 113 हो जाएगा. Solve this, you will get the answer as 12780 centimeter cube. ये अपना आंसर आना चाहिए 12780 centimeter cube. Now again, what we have to do here is very simple thing to be done. They have given us that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So 12780 centimeter cube is equal to how many? So therefore the mass of the pole is nothing but multiply it, you will get 102240, that is 1,02,240 gram on multiplying, which is nothing but 102.24 kgs. I am sure you are very clear with the sum on the screen guys. I hope it is a very helpful session for you all. Moving forward, I give you 15 seconds quickly to revise this sum. Those who haven't done it, please do it. Sorry, जिन्होंने भी सॉल्व नहीं किया है फटाफट से कर लो, जिन्होंने भी सॉल्व कर लिया है वो एक बार देख लो, जिनको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है वो एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward now. So guys, this was a session which focused only on finding out the total surface areas, the curved surface areas, the length of the canvas required, or the volume of the whole figure. This session will give you an idea how to do the sums with respect to surface areas more and with respect to the total surface areas and the capacities. In the next session, which I will be coming up for class 10, will only have sums with respect to melted and recast. These two sessions will be summing up your whole chapter. Okay, coming back to something about Unacademy. Now this half yearly examination batch courses are already started, so now no point of enrolling for them because they are left hardly for 10 days. But still, if you join, why not to enroll for them? Why not to just miss the live sessions? Why to miss them? So you should enroll for it also if you are subscribing today. Now this is an amazing thing. As we all know, Unacademy are the proud sponsors of IPL. This year they are the proud partners with IPL. So whenever you see a 6 hit by any batsman on in the match, we say Unacademy sixer. All right. So वैसे हम भी यहाँ चौके छक्के मार रहे हैं on and off the field. दोनों जगह Unacademy का नाम है. So this daily T20 series, now for this you don't need not subscribe guys. This is absolutely free for class 9 and 10. Monday to Friday this has started from 31st August. Let me tell you ये अभी भी चालू है तो आप ये कर सकते हो. So Monday to Friday 1:30 PM every weekday you have a 1:30 PM test. You can test your skills where. So you can test your skills actually. Unacademy has also got this on their app Let's Practice feature where you have a lot of sums with respect to different chapters. You can practice them and gain XPs which will help to build up your rankings on the portal as well. Now again, this is for both CBSE class 9 and 10. A quiz alert, you can join our Telegram channel and we as जैसे अब तो PUBG बैन हो गया but जब PUBG था आप रूम क्रिएट करके दोस्तों के साथ खेलते थे, वैसे ही यहाँ पे एडुकेटर आपको दोस्त बना लेते हैं. एंड व्हाट दे डू इज दे क्रिएट अ रूम, दे विल शेयर द कोड विथ यू, क्विज कोड, एंड you just enter that quiz code. You are a part of that quiz. Timing is allotted to you, number of questions you know, and after the quiz ends you also get to see the leaderboard in hand within no time, and you will also have the solutions for those questions. Now again, this is free for all. You just have to download the app, join my Telegram channel. I keep on scheduling such quizzes for you all. The name of my Telegram channel is Vinay Bajaj CBSE Unacademy channel. Let's challenge test series now. Yes, this is a test series which is only for our plus subscribers, those who have subscribed Unacademy by taking a plus subscription. क्यों इसमें और डेली T20 में फर्क क्या है? डेली T20 इज फ्री, उसके बाद उसका एनालिसिस नहीं होता है, बट दिस टेस्ट सीरीज इसमें उसका एनालिसिस भी होता है. दैट इज जो भी टेस्ट कंडक्ट हुआ है, जो भी मॉक टेस्ट कंडक्ट हुआ है, विद इन 48 आवर्स उसका एक क्लास होता है जिसमें वही सारे क्वेश्चंस जो बच्चे को डाउट होता है वो सेशन में आ सकता है और वो सारे डाउट्स क्लियर किए जाते हैं. उसको हम बोलते हैं मॉक टेस्ट एनालिसिस. सो दैट इज डन बाय आवर टॉप एजुकेटर्स अगेन. So I hope you guys have made up your mind to subscribe Unacademy to learn in this format and in this presentation and in this style, break the concepts, understand them practically in a much better way. You can use my referral code VB19 and subscribe now. The link is there in the description. You can also follow me on Unacademy. Download the app, click on the bell icon, subscribe the channel, and I will see you all very soon with my next session on the same chapter with a different concept which will make you revise each and every topic in detail. Use the referral code VB19 and subscribe now. God bless you all. Take care. This is how my profile looks. Almost I'm touching 1 million minutes. So keep having the same thing and I will see you very soon in my next session. These are the subscription plans. What you have to do is you just have to use my referral code and subscribe. You get a 10% flat discount. My referral code is VB19 right on the screens. Thank you guys. I hope this session was very helpful for you all. If you need such upcoming sessions, if you need something that हाँ मुझे ये विनय सर से सीखना है, you can post it in the comment section. I will look for after it and I'll make sure that I come up with that topic in my next YT session after I finish this chapter. Thank you guys. Stay safe. God bless you all. Till then, signing off. Vinay Bajaj for the day.